Bharat Swadhin Kelong Arni Mat Independence Day Catalan Birta Card News Salong Nang Libom Lang. Karbi Anglong Meghalaya Ahoy Along Takiching Si Apong Trok Sikebra Hini Angdeng Independence Day Talon. Balipathar Along Independence Day Cup Football Tournament Ke Pangcheng. Cardom News Time along Penili Villarban Cropi non Beer Tangton Pen Archway Tha Bharat Swadhin Kelong Arni along Pachiton Dun Pen Differong Spia along Kedo DFO Silviculture Sahem along the Date Pelama Ink Thordun Date Pelama DFO Enteron Sing Thorlapen Catalona Jamegalong Ranger Chokomaratum Chitongdun Bharat Adet Methang Kechari Ajakong Kachipalong Ningkan Trok Sikebra Hini Angdeng Aliralon Pen Det Piadang Ningarong Pen Catalon Dunahur Hamren Pen Kilometer Thomkep Kahelo Lang Hempi Pathok Lamalong Hadak Araratum Pen Chipeng's Independence Day Catalona Jam Ing Samjin Pen Pachunpon Karbi Anglong La Pen Meghalaya Hoy Kedo Lang Hempi Hawar Arat Lake Independence Day Catalon Arjia Mumang Pason Ma Thegdun Long Wang Vipin Lang Lang Hempi Araratum Ta Independence Day Pualam Karjulong Chot Kalidet Si Kosol Se Catalon Ma Ladak Kaboche Araratum Ta Ansu Se Clardak Pen Kachini Thek Jep Hansi Chingwai Sarpen Catalona Ja Mek Pathek Pon Lupusi Bindra Rongpi Pen Than Pachini Adawa Portomon Arwike Thepik Ang Bong Setami Countryside English School Principal Anthony Teron Pen Dedalama Pangjar Ponsi Jai Mek Pangcheng Ponlu La Sophie Lang Hempi Ang Kang Hum Troksia School Kachari Au Sumaratum Pen March Pass Kachipate Padupon Kicheng Si Lapen Adun Tuanong Elake Countryside English School Pensi Chepalong Pon Lapen Ke Thamanong Elake Holy Trinity English School Pensi Chepalong Pon Lo Independence Day Catalon Along Aningarong Chepidunsi Break Jama School House Maratum Pendet Kaching Hon Akikan Lapen Methang Apindeng Support Pen Kapaklang Pon Selilon Pidun Apika Chitong Dun Aluhia Tumpen Tapi Potsi Pai Pani Pai Krip Ho Arni Talon Dunang Kokma Lapen Man Binang Kokma La Sopotak Lam Thejai Pon
Tuesday because of our freedom fighters only who fought for us so that India may be a strong nation and India must be free from the hand of the foreigners. So I appeal all the Indians and all the children that their works had already gone and now the leaders are coming day by day. So today is ours and tomorrow will be yours. So India cannot do anything for you, but we have to do something for India.
Jaimek along Aluhisar Popen, Father Dominic Terod Principal Holy Trinity School, Augustine Hanse Chun Bang West Karbi Anglong District Estri Maucha, Sorgari Gambura, Daniel Hanse Lapen VDC Chairman, Hongbor Tongbiatum Chitongdun. Isi Kemang Humeme Alama Banke Kanduli Outpost Adung Head Pusitami, Bang Soja Mek along Lucinita Rai Komasai Kiatu, Invite Dun Uta Bangaway. Dokmokala pen semilang swalong ta Bharat Swadhin Kelong Arni along Pachiton Dun Pen Date Alama Ing Thordun Dokmoka ing Namrai Komasai Hemla pen semilang so development block along Date Pelama Ing Thordun Deda Phi Date Pika Pachok Kachetong along Apran Kachipia Nok Bia Tumaphan Amen Parno Si Chikimo Sai Tapadupon Pusi Peragi Pen Birta Nang Pali Namalam so por Phan Birta Mung Toponik Sine Good news, good news, good news. It is hereby informed to all the repeater candidates of HSLC examination who are willing to get admission in Arts and Science stream at Kanaklata Junior College, Lanka are requested to collect the forms and prospectus immediately from the college during office hours. The repeater candidates who secured 55% marks they can take admission in Science stream and who secured 45% marks they can take admission in Arts stream. Hostel facilities are also available for both boys and girls students. For more details, please contact 8628-735-290 or 8011-97988 or 9678-750-759. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield, opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748-73915, 7896-169021 or 957-988-008. Aturkimi outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Aturkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people tadbir talong wangtholo Assam Pradesh BJP atum kapen khat ateng pen sangti hidi sports club atum chipatir pipon si pai pani phai krep pho arni Balipathar Higher Secondary School patho klamalong arni sia farman Independence Day Cup football tournament ki pathu ke padopon Laso sai ke deng la ke Swachh Bharat Abhiyan amen pen India det ke jok arni amen pen rataphan ke pang thirana thu ka cherok tok la pen ke pa chithang ponje phan akemang pen non ki thurmi ari somate ni kan krep pen aber arta tu phan pusi Swachh Bharat Abhiyan la pen sports cell Karbi Anglong in charge Birbal Tiso pen pachini ada por phak ke ba por pen pangcheng pon sari tili pho por an pajut pon lo ke pa thualong ong dungoi kimari sotuk chipate dun rinti labang so kipathua long Balipathar Sports Association amai pho Kison Bay Edison terang lapen ki thege dinga tum chitong dun si RDP dun West Karbi Anglong District Kheruni Sariali SSA Socheng Block along Pai Pai Krip Horni Arni Kangsa Porpai Troga Poranta Dit Pialama Person Sedet Pusi Perang Kipen Birta Nang Pale West Karbi Anglong District Kheruni Sariali along Kedo SSA Socheng Block along Ta Bharat Swathin Kelong Apartment Lama Pang Jardun Lo Monta Block Mission Coordinator Kepang Kreajo Arni Kangsa Porpai Troga Poranta Lama Pasundun Dedet Pusi Birta Riptun Long Birta bangkela pas kang tan paniglo domi thakmi kurang thur